guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your stock videos change into different colors on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this for the example, and I want to change it into a few different colors. So I'm just going to add in some colors first, like this pink one and then this orange one. I'm just going to scale it up as well. And then I want it to be blue. Again, scale this up. And then I want it to be this color. Whoops. And then I'm just going to repeat those by copying and pasting it. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then just go to blend mode and select either linear burn or color dodge or multiply. You can choose whichever suits your video the best, and just like play around with the settings that they have here. I think I might go with, let's see, not color dodge. Maybe this multiply one, and this is what your video should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!